it's gonna be
Yeah.
really laggy because like you're spoiling so much, by the way. But it should be an issue because
No.
of this. Yeah, wait, get them all on you.
I'm playing on a PC Xbox Hybrid. Oh my god!
Dude, I love the sound. It's just like way too laggy.
Oh, I feel like this thing.
Oh, it's good. Chill for a second. Just wait for the lag to die down a bit and then we go again. Yeah, get like all of them on you. Look out. Oh crap, I think I missed.
You're like exactly where I am.
This guy killed tons. So I just spammed them, I don't know how much is on there. I put it on the phone, by the way. This is kinda... I'm surprised it's not crashed my game. I got hiccups, thank you.
I'm just finding the restroom. Just 2 more stacks after this. Maybe 3.
It's like 400 of them.
Yeah, 3.
No.
3.
Okay, wait, stand like in the middle of them. Nope. Yeah, I've done it already.
I'm directly into the middle.
Yeah, I've done it already. It's just like taking ages. Oh, oh shit. I saw one like full on like fly up past me, like way over there. Okay, they're dead. This is gonna be loud. I am recording, by the way. Oh wait, you're running towards me. I'm probably gonna go to sleep anyway because I haven't slept tonight. I'm probably gonna, yeah. Anyway. Yeah, it is too laggy. Chill. Wow.
Oh yeah, even
Wow, yo, no, whoa.
and I'm on like I changed.
I put it on the phone. I don't even know if it's me or the server. Oh.
Sorry to that again. I'm playing on a PC.
Oh, damn.
I'm playing.
Wait, go like in the middle of them.
My name's Tung, so I hear because
No. I denied the request.
It's getting closer. I'm scared.
Yeah, I hope he was fine.
Oh, I think he's watching me. Am I like special? I'm special ed, but huh? Okay.
Oh, my bad.
Hey,
Okay, be careful.
hey.
My finger or my sound comes out of, and I just feel a whole vibration thing with you.
I'm in danger.
Alright, let's go. Spawn the stack and a half, and then we can fight the other 20.
Oh.
Oh yeah, not bad. We just. Oh wait, what uphold. Oh shit.
Oh, I died. Oh shit, I accidentally did all but...
Oh shit.
I got you.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't hit the freaking orbital thing. Don't hit the orbital person. Or the guy.
Okay, I'm back. I don't know where my other pearl went. I don't even know if it's through. Are they all just under me?
Oh shoot, there is like over there. But dude, this guy's helmet broke.
What? He's still not dead though. Never mind. Okay, yeah, you can spawn all of them now. And just like flatten out that part. Okay, it's smallish. You might orbitals like don't go. Oh.
Sure, we got problem.
So you see where the cobblestone is on the floor? Like all that cobblestone? They don't reach that, but they like reach where you. Look out! I didn't mean to.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, you can spawn them now.
We got a problem.
What?
We don't have no more.
Hello? Where is this guy? Wait, you don't have any more? I just gave you 100 eggs. Spawn eggs. Oh.
Okay. Do exactly where I am.
Yep. Okay. Alright, let's go. I want to go off after this.
Oh, you give me how many?
100.
Okay.
Just spawn 80 or something.
That all fits to my inventory.
Huh?
It all fits in my inventory. Like, perfectly snug.
Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, wait, stop a second. Stop. Alright, you go now.
Okay, wait, I'm eating a golden apple.
Yeah, I can't go over there. They don't reach over there. You want to come closer.
Have a drink.
I don't know why, that's kind of bugged. Yeah, I'm just gonna like spawn more. Like each one's gonna get their personal walk tool. It's like 15 minutes of this, by the way.
There's like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's just this. How do they just get missed? They just get teleported. I'm not even touching it anymore.
That popped me twice, and now my auto totem isn't working. So speed.
What? Dude, I haven't slept. I'm kind of bummed at the wait.
Okay, I think
Keep in mind, these guys survive like 1,000 fucking nukes. That killed me. Did it kill them? It didn't. Wow.
one survived.
You know, one thing that's stronger than nukes. I completely missed. Wow. Yeah, nice one, bro. Wait, let me 1v1. I'm trying to like practice sword. So like, let me.
I mean, I'm pretty good at sword.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Well, I'm bad at webbing. So this spawns like a million TNT.
Great job.
Oh shit. That was sick. Okay, wait, come here. Wait. Can get like a semi-watt screenshot video from the image you gave me. Yeah, okay. You're just like on my shoulder. Thanks, guys.
Oh, wait.
Bye.